Hey, what is up, guys? It's the Gaming Buck, and we're playing Slime Rancher again. No, I don't know what episode it is, because I really don't pay attention to anything. You silos the store plorts. Yeah, like I didn't freaking know that. Yay. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to go put these Blair, I don't know, Briar hens or something in here, so they can breed and make hens and roosters. Yes, this one's done. Wait, before I do that, let me go put this plort up on 3, but that makes 0 correction. Don't judge. Whatever. I need to feed all these slimes. All of them are gonna freaking turn into tar. Alright, activate you. Give me a honeycomb. Yay. Alright. Activate you. Give me a honeycomb. Holy shoot, he gave me 5 honeycombs. Yeah, boy. Or no, he gave me 4. He gave me 4. Now I got 5. Yeah. A boy. Get rid of all this buzzwax because it's not useful at all. Wait, what was the honeycomb used for? Was it, wasn't for that, but it was for this, right? Yeah, for these teleporters. Okay. Now we just gotta go to all these. Get that pump, and get that pump. That thing exploded. What? Here's some oil. Didn't really need oil that much. It's weird. Alright, well, I guess I'll take y'all. Whole bunch of jellystone. A whole bunch of jellystone. Like, I needed jellystone at this very moment. Now, this I did need. So, I just go put all this up. Ran through all my puddle slimes. I'm gonna refill their puddle because they are not making me flirts. And as their owner, I shall beat them to death. No, I'm not gonna beat them to death. I'm going to give them more food. And by food, I mean water, because that's what they eat. I don't think they can actually, like, fully run out of water. But they, like, get to a certain level where they don't have enough water to make food. And that's so bad. Because I want me some foods. Me want pepperoni with a touch of water. Just really? Like, what? Whatever. Booyah! Kobe. Oh yeah, I needed, go back over here, I needed some carrots or fruit, something like that. So, just gonna dodge and weave, dodge and weave, dodge, 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 charge, turkey. Really? No. That's so bad. That's so bad. You are going to die. Stop it. Go, okay? Go. I have to collect all my stupid carrots. Y'all eat veggies or fruit? We eat fruit. Triggered! Here, have some carrots. Fine, you don't get any carrots. I'm gonna freaking throw you over the edge. And then put you up for adoption, you freaking pink, ugly Largo. What? Is this not going anything? No? Okay, good. Because I am going to run over here and get a pogo fruit or two. Okay, that's fine. And then put it right there, yeah. Put it right there, yeah. Okay. Booyah, son. Sell off these. Alright, now since I don't have anything to feed them anymore, I'm gonna go over there, set everything up, run back over here, sell these because it's taking too long. I need like more farming station things. Are they happy? No, they're hungry. Why aren't y'all eating this? That's like, oh, that's not what they eating. I was like, that looks like a pogo fruit. Why ain't they eating that? Yo, what? Yeah. Alright, well, I know these people will eat these veggies. Have some veggies. Over here. Y'all good. Heck, all y'all happy, except like this one person. There. You happy now, boy? There, I'm gonna put my cute, awesome little looking slimes over here. Alright. Put some phosphor slimes. Then some honey slimes. Then wapow. No? Y'all not hungry? Oh. Eat potato heads. Fruit and veggies. Eat! I'll turn you into a freaking boom slime right now. They'll probably escape, but who the heck cares? Alright, so I gave them some carrots. I can feed the rest of the carrots over there. Stop radiating me. Radiating. Radiation. Radiationating. That's a weird word to say. This video is already almost 10 minutes long. What the heck? What have I been doing this whole vid? Yo. Really? I'm not even gonna collect that. Good luck, buddies. That's worth like nothing on the market. Like maybe $1. Actually, that'd be like 20 bucks, to be honest. Why are plorts worth so much? They're just slime poop. Like, I get it, the explosive and crystal ones, but a freaking pink plort is $7. A tabby plort, it's literally like a hairball, and it's $24 a pop. The gold one and honey one I can also understand, because, I mean, we're talking about a giant ball of honey, okay? Who doesn't want that? Please tell me. If you don't want a giant ball of honey, leave it in the comment section saying yes or no. And like the video. Subscribe. And help me. See, this is why I want y'all to be fat. So you can't escape. Why won't y'all just eat those carrots? Eat the freaking carrots. It's not that hard, bro. Eat that carrot. Eat it. Wait, what? Oh, whoopsie. Eat the carrot. You know what? Fine. I am trapping you in here. How you like me now? How you like me now, bruh? Hey, you're never gonna get out. Why is someone floating? That's how they get out. They just float. Oops. Logic no apply to phosphor. Yeah, this is gonna take a long time, so I'm just gonna go take a nap over here in my little house. I hope all of that food grows so I can go feed my slimes at the slime science. Here we go sleep until morning. I literally just slept like over 24 hours right there. Wow. That shows the go. How long I sleep in real life. I actually sleep like 2 or 3 hours. Because I'm up all night. Up all night. It's a 10-minute video. Okay. This video is going to be long. Like 30 minutes. And I only have to post 2 videos today. Yeah, boy. Because I'm lazy. I don't care. Come here. Oh. I can't hold any more pogo fruits. What? Oh yeah, all of my honey slimes are probably starving. Here, guys, have some pogo fruits. What about y'all too? Have some pogo fruits. Because I have way too many. I don't know. Everyone should have gotten one. Now let's get the rest of these so they don't despawn. I think they can despawn. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. And if y'all want this series to continue or like a season 2 in the future, leave down in the comment section because I want to do what y'all guys want. Because any minute I can stop this if y'all guys don't want this. But then again, any minute I can make a season 2 and restart and make it really, really fun and go on and on and on with all the ways it could be funner in life. And I don't feel like it. You'll just decide. I'll go look in like an hour. Now y'all should be hungry. Here, I don't know, what about having a pogo fruit? Oh, Anna, you have a pogo fruit. Come on, eat that. And then you, I can give a carrot. No? Did I already feed you? Oh, you only eat fruits. Wait, what? But aren't you a freaking... Are you a veggie? No. Wow. That sucks. Come back. I must feed you, said pogo floor. Yeah, floor. That's what I meant to say, totally. Here, let me just pick one of these up and splash it on it. What? Just this. Yeah, there you go. I'll give you that. What, are you not hungry? No, you're hungry. Eat the pogo fruit. Alright. Whatever. Everyone is fed over here, so let's... Oh, I have to feed my lucky slimes. I mean, hunter slimes, I mean. I think they're hunter and... Yeah, I don't remember. I think these guys eat veggies, right? Am I right? Yeah, meat and veggies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that should fill all of them. And y'all also eat veggies. Oh, wow. Got my job cut out for me. Alright, well, I guess I'll stop this video at, what is it called, 15 minutes because I'm bored. And I have things to do. And YouTube is not my whole life. It will be in like a year. But, I mean, I can't tell if he's in or out. I think he's in. But in like a year, YouTube will be my whole life. But for now, I shall declare that I will only do YouTube like once a day. Maybe twice. I might just do it twice. Because I do have school normally, but I normally have no homework, so I just come home and like do nothing. So this will give me finally something to do. Let's go feed our hunter slimes. Hunter slimes, hunter slimes, hunter slimes. Shouldn't they like target us too? Since they're hunter slimes? Keyword hunter? No? Just me. Just me, apparently. And if you want Slime Rancher, it's either free or $10. Every game that I have is like either free or $10 or $5. One of those. I never buy expensive games other than like Ark, and that's about it. There should be some chickens hiding around in the bushes. Oh, here's one. That's only 5. I don't know if that'll feed all my hunters. Oh, here's one. Oh, here's a couple. I was like a couple and a half. Here, y'all have some chickens. Have some chickens. Have some chickens. Do I have a plort collector for y'all? Yep. 8. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video here because it's long and I am running out of things to do on Slime Rancher. So, bye-bye.